Okay, quick video guys. So you want to learn how to do that reveal looking trick in Instagram where you have a carousel of your edited photo followed by your unedited photo followed by a clip of both photos but with a kind of like a cool reveal looking thing and it sort of reveals the final picture. Does that make sense? Yeah, probably not. Right, let me show you what I mean.
Ooh, getting caught in the maze is a minute they'll never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we run.
Okay, here you have my Instagram and I'll just show you what I mean. So you have the edited photo followed by the unedited photo followed by a small clip that reveals the unedited photo underneath the edited one. Wow, I said edit quite a lot of times. So now I'll show you how to do it. You're going to want to have both your photos ready to go and then you open up Premiere Pro. Open up a new project. You can call this project whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Project 1 just for the sake of this tutorial. Once you do that, you import both of those photos into Premiere. So there you have it, you have 1 and 2. After this, next thing you are going to want to open up a new sequence. So you just go down here, open up new sequence, go up to settings, change the frame size from 1080 to 1350, which gives you an aspect ratio of 4:5. Click OK. Now you'll notice that the frame size has changed, and this is the frame size a lot of Instagrammers use as it takes up more retail space on Instagram. So now that you've done that, drag the first photo onto the sequence, set the scale, make sure that's correct. Now bring over the next photo on top of the one before and set the scale for that one as well. Make sure that's nice and snug in the frame size. Okay, so once you've done that, go up to the Effects tab. That'll open up the Effects column, I'll call it. Type in crop. You'll find it down here. Drag that crop effect over onto the top image. And drop it on there. Once you've done that, go up to the Effect Control panel, which you'll scroll down and you'll find that crop effect that you've just put in. And now from here, this is where the reveal transition, whatever you want to call it, will happen. You can either have it coming from the left, top, right or bottom. It's totally up to you, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do it from the left. So you will want to hit the toggle animation button over to the left here. That'll set a keyframe. Then drag the timeline across. Click on the percentage you want, we'll go 90, and there you have it. That sets another keyframe and you've got that transition. So keep moving along, we'll type in 20%, sets another keyframe, and you just continue doing this however many times you would like until you have come and reached the end. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And once that's all done, play it back, and you have a really nice reveal clip that you can put with your images on Instagram. Once you do that, just go ahead and export the video and you're ready to upload it. So that's it for this little quick tutorial, guys. Now this probably isn't the only way you can do this. It just so happens I couldn't find any videos on YouTube by myself, so I had to figure out how to muck around and I come up with this solution. So if you like this video and you took some value from it, please consider liking and subscribing. It's always appreciated, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later.
When we go, then we run to the end and we run without shame.